Welcome to a video walkthrough of our KEYENCE software solutions. Today, we're going to go over the Launcher application, also known as the Lockdown Launcher. This application allows an admin to restrict the programs available to users and prevent them from changing the device's internal settings. To start, open the Launcher application. You can either search for it in the Android search bar at the top of the home screen, or you can swipe from bottom to top to find the application shortcut. When you open the program for the first time, it will be blank with the side menu visible. The Launcher application has two modes: Maintenance Mode and Operation Mode. In Maintenance Mode, a user can edit the launcher's settings and device settings. In Operation Mode, the user is only able to access the admin's chosen applications and cannot edit the device settings. This is our launcher's Maintenance Mode. You can tell because of the bright yellow banner at the bottom of the screen. On the left-hand side, you will see the launcher's Maintenance Mode menu. You can use this menu to quickly access features of the scanner without fully unlocking the device. There are four options: Settings, the system settings of the device; Launcher Settings, which changes the application's appearance and behavior; Tools, which allows you to access specific KEYENCE applications and the internal storage; and finally, the Information section, which gives you device specifications like the IP address and MAC address. To set up your launcher application, first select the launcher settings. Then enable the default launcher option at the top of the menu. You may be given the option to restart your device. You can choose to do it now or at a later time. We recommend restarting the device after you fully set up the launcher application. The default launcher settings makes it so that this program is always open no matter what, even if it is closed or if you power cycle the device. You will always be brought back to the launcher application. To continue setting up the launcher application, select the Add Application option. This will give you a list of all the applications that are currently installed on your device. To add them into the launcher for the users to use, simply scroll, find your selected application, and tap on the slider. The applications will be added in order as you've selected them. Please note, any application that you have not selected will not be allowed to run in the background or be opened at all outside of the launcher. So if you need an application to run in the background or for the users to use occasionally, it's a good idea to enable it and allow it through the launcher. The next step in this process is adding a password for maintenance mode. To do this, tap on the slider and then tap into the password field. This can be left blank if you so choose. You would simply need to press enter within the password field to re-enter maintenance mode from operation mode. Please keep in mind this password is saved locally onto the device, and if the password is lost or forgotten, you will need to factory reset your device to remove the launcher application. The last option available in the launcher's basic settings is the Auto Add Installed Application. This allows you to add applications into the launcher automatically that are not part of the Google Suite or our KEYENCE software solutions. These four main settings are critical for the launcher to work properly. The rest of the settings, towards the bottom of the page here, are completely optional. The Keep Screen On setting allows the device itself to stay online so long as the launcher's application is open. The sidebar menu options allow you to add specific functions or features into the operation mode itself for the users to access. However, these operations are minimal in their scope, allowing the user to only look at specific specifications like battery life statistics or turn operations on or off like the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi features. To complete your launcher setup, press Operation Mode at the bottom left of the menu. Now you see the device is in operation mode. At the top left, we can see the Wi Fi, battery, and Bluetooth options, which we enabled in the settings earlier. To remove this menu, tap on the right hand side of the screen. Now we'll see the applications we've added to the launcher itself. If we try to close this or even restart the device, you will always be brought back to the screen. To unlock the device to make any edits or changes, drag your finger from left to right to open the menu. You'll need to do this from the corner of the screen. Then tap on Maintenance Mode, enter your password, and you're now able to access the launcher application. In short, the launcher application allows you to create a custom view for your users and restrict their access to the device settings and alternative applications. This application can be moved to another device via our kitting tool, which we'll go over in another video. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions about the launcher application, please feel free to reach out to us via the chat function on our website or give our KEYENCE support number a call and select option 2. Thank you so much.